Hey, what's up guys? Today we have the unboxing and setup of the iPhone XS Max. You heard that right, the iPhone XS Max Gold version, 512 gigabytes. Can't believe they doubled the storage from 256, and of course you got the buy one get one special. The box is pretty straightforward. Probably going to be one plastic pull, take off the top, iPhone will be there, probably some headphones and chargers. We'll see it right now. Just a pull of the tab, and we're off. Careful not to drop the phone. Sometimes the suction can pull up in the glass. And here we go. Classic design by Apple in California. How many of y'all in the comments usually keep all your iPhone packaging? I know I do. Always a slit on the bottom to raise it up. So simple and straightforward. Now we'll peel this off later, but check out how thin this is. Gold color, very reflective, still the glass back. Apple says it's the strongest glass they've ever made, and you don't want to be dropping this, and I don't want to be testing it. So let's put this aside. Well, up next we got the headphones. Nice pull-out tab right there. It's gonna be a lightning port. No more headphone jack, no more headphone jack converter. And as you can see here, just your standard iPhone charging plug. And you got your iPhone charging cord right there. Again, what's missing from the box noticeably is the converter from the standard headphone jack. But we're about 3 generations in, and Apple probably hopes that we forgot. Now for the best part. Peeling off this plastic. I usually like to leave it on for as long as I can before some speck dusts come in there. And there you go, folks. This will be the cleanest this iPhone will ever be until I put a case and protector, which really should be immediately. Nice gold smooth finish. And there we are. Again, beautiful device. Something to behold. And let's see how clean the setup process goes. It's usually a hit or miss for me. Select your country, your region. Bless that through. Now keep your iPhone 10 or your previous iPhone handy. Again, this is hit or miss. This QR code generation is always a great feature to have. Now it hangs here a little bit after entering these passcodes, so it's not as at least straightforward as you think. Now for those setting this up, make sure you put in your SIM card before. I ran into this weird situation where it made me two-factor authenticate on my iPhone, on my other devices, but we got it working. And there we go, folks. The iPhone XS Max setup. Now I restored from my previous iPhone 10 storage backup. For others, you can set it up new. My app's got to download. Just let everything set up. Just waiting for the iPhone.